Hi, I'm Rod Musser, Product Manager for Software Risk Manager. I'm going to show you how you can get an application's bill of materials using SRM's new component view feature. Getting visibility into all the software components used by applications in your organization is, at best, a difficult and time-consuming effort. With SRM's new component view, you have a single source of truth to quickly get answers to questions about 0 days and license compliance. As a member of the security team, you're responsible for the security of many applications developed by different teams. Each team may be using different tools to do software composition analysis, and some teams may not be doing it at all. This makes it extremely challenging for you to get a single comprehensive view into components, versions, and licenses used by your organization's applications. Answering simple questions like, do we use a specific version of a library? Or are we using any software that uses a specific type of license? Can be very time consuming. With the new component view feature in SRM, you can answer these questions easily and quickly. Using information captured from software composition analysis scans done in tools integrated with SRM, or with SRM's own integrated SCA scanner, SRM creates a bill of materials containing the component name, version, the type of dependency, and license type, even if the component isn't associated with a vulnerability. So let's go into Software Risk Manager and take a look at the component view. Here we are in SRM. We are looking at all the vulnerabilities for the ABC banking application. And while a list of all the vulnerable components is useful from a management and triage perspective, this information isn't organized in a way to easily see a list of the components used by this application. Also, this list won't have any components that don't have any vulnerabilities associated with them. That's why we created this new components view. When you click on the components link, we now see a list of all the components used by the application, both components that have vulnerabilities associated with them, but also components that don't. We list the name of the component, the version, the type of dependency, the license name, and license family. If we click on a component, you can see information about the component, its origins, its direct and transitive dependency information with upgrade recommendations. The search and filter capability is where a lot of the benefit of this feature lies. I can search on component, security risk, match type, license name, and license family. So if you're interested, if your application is using a particular version of a component, you can answer that question in just a couple seconds. For example, if I wanted to look to see if we were using any of the Log4j libraries, I can quickly search and see which versions I'm using. I can also see if we are using a particular license name that may not be approved by our organization. With SRM's new component view, you have the benefit of a constantly up-to-date inventory of software components, giving you the ability to quickly determine if you may be vulnerable to a 0-day, all in just a few seconds. To find out more, visit synopsys.com/software integrity.